Wisdom quotes. Sigmund Freud, Austrian psychologist, psychoanalyst, psychiatrist and neurologist. On Life's Wisdom channel. Depression is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign that you've been trying to be strong for too long. Before you diagnose yourself with depression and low self-esteem, make sure you're not surrounded by idiots. If you've forgiven a person everything, then you're done with them. Depression is frozen fear. We are not always free from mistakes about which we laugh at others. Nothing is more costly in life than sickness and stupidity. How bold and self-confident one becomes who gains the conviction that he is loved. Every normal person is really only partly normal. The limitedness of pleasure only increases its value. If we chase a problem out the door, it climbs through the window as a symptom. The only person you should compare yourself to is you in the past. And the only person you should be better than is you now. Most people don't really want freedom because it involves responsibility, and responsibility scares most people. A busy person is rarely visited by idlers. No flies fly to a boiling pot. A person never refuses anything, he just replaces one pleasure with another. The scale of your personality is determined by the magnitude of the problem that is capable of driving you out of your mind. We do not choose each other at random. We meet only those who already exist in our subconscious. Unfortunately, repressed emotions don't die. They've been silenced. And they continue to affect a person from within. It is inherent in man to value and desire above all things what he cannot achieve. Being completely honest with oneself is a good exercise. It is almost impossible to carry the torch of truth through a crowd without scorching someone's beard. If a person begins to wonder about the meaning of life or its value, it means that he is sick. People are strong as long as they stand up for a strong idea. Of all evils, insincerity is the most dangerous. Every man has desires which he does not communicate to others, and desires which he does not confess even to himself. Recognizing a problem is half the success in solving it. Nothing is accidental, everything has a root cause. Only the realization of childhood dreams can bring happiness. The first sign of stupidity is a complete lack of shame.